OAuth Authentication is an open standard used to access services or resources on behalf of a user. It allows users to securely authorize third-party applications and websites to access their information without sharing passwords. OAuth enables the user to approve an application or website's request for access while also providing an extra layer of security by having the user confirm each request. The OAuth process begins with the user creating a login account with a third-party provider. After that, the application or website will request access from the user, which can be approved through a web page redirect. Once approved, the application or website is granted limited access to specific resources as requested by the user. OAuth Authentication is widely used in many services, including Facebook Connect and Google Sign-in, making it easier for users to securely use multiple applications and websites with just one account. How do OAuth authorization tokens work? OAuth authorization tokens are a secure way to access protected resources and applications. They work by granting access to an application through the use of a token, which is generated by an authorization server. The token is then passed on to the application for verification and authentication. Once the application has verified the token, it can grant access to the requested resource or service. This process helps to protect both users and applications from unauthorized access, as only those with a valid token will be granted access. OAuth tokens can also be used for session management purposes, ensuring that any data exchanged between two parties remains secure throughout the session. How does OAuth differ from other forms of authentication? OAuth is a form of authentication different from other forms because it does not require the user to provide their login credentials. Instead, users authorize applications or services to access their accounts by providing access tokens. This means that users don't have to worry about their passwords being exposed when granting authorization for an application or service. OAuth also allows users to control how much access they are granting by approving specific scopes or permissions. This level of granular control makes OAuth more secure than other forms of authentication since users can limit the amount of information they share with third-party apps and services. Additionally, OAuth supports multiple authorization flows and protocols, allowing it to be used in many scenarios. Ultimately, OAuth offers a secure and convenient way to authenticate users while protecting their data and privacy.